In the realm of streaming, one name has been making waves across American households: ROKU Streaming Stick 4K. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of its unmatched popularity. Welcome, tech aficionados. This is the Gadget Corner, your trusted destination for all things gadgetry. Our gem today is a prime fixture in many American living rooms: the ROKU Streaming Stick 4K. And guess what? It's one of Amazon's best sellers. Check it out using the link below. But first, let's dive deep into what makes it a class apart. 1. Stealthy and aesthetically pleasing. One of ROKU's most ingenious features is its minimalistic design. Unlike many of its counterparts, the ROKU Streaming Stick 4K understands the importance of space. By discreetly hiding behind your TV, it ensures a clean, wire-free environment. It's the epitome of less is more, ensuring functionality without intruding on your room's aesthetics. 2. Turbocharged performance. We've all been there, that agonizing wait as your chosen movie or series buffers. With ROKU's robust architecture, that's ancient history. Its swift startup breathes life into your content in seconds, from drama to comedy to documentaries, ensuring a seamless transition from choice to viewing. 3. Consistent and far-reaching Wi-Fi connectivity. Consistency is key, especially when you're deep into a thriller, and the plot is thickening. ROKU's promise? A consistent, long-range Wi-Fi connectivity that ensures you stay immersed, irrespective of where your TV is placed. By prioritizing a stable connection, it promises a buffer-free experience, bringing the cinema directly to your couch. 4. The one remote to rule them all. The modern living room is often a graveyard of remotes, each with its purpose. Enter ROKU's magic wand. This remote is not just a channel changer, it's a game changer. From turning on your TV to volume adjustments to navigating ROKU's vast library, it's the only remote you'll ever need. And the pièce de résistance? Its voice control capability. Simple commands lead to instant actions. It truly feels like the future in your hand. 5. Pinnacle of visual excellence and vast content choices. Visually, the ROKU Streaming Stick 4K is in a league of its own. Every color is more vivid, every shadow deeper, every highlight radiant. With its 4K, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ capabilities, it turns every viewing into an event. But what's a great device without content? ROKU boasts a content library that's both vast and varied. From free channels to premium ones, from movies to series to live TV, it's a smorgasbord of choices. Add compatibility with voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Hey Google, and you have an entertainment powerhouse. Convinced? We thought you'd be. Ready to take the leap into superior streaming? The Amazon link is right below. Given its bestseller status, it's only a matter of time before stocks run out. That's a wrap on this gadget deep dive. If you found this enlightening, remember to hit like, share, and subscribe to the Gadget Corner. We'll be back with more tech treasures soon. Until then, happy streaming.